Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 has been stuck on black screen. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57, you're facing the issue that your phone is stuck on black screen. So let's see how can you fix this issue. My phone is stuck, but if your phone has been stuck, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So this single and the best way which might help you to fix that issue is to make a force restart using these buttons. So let's see how can you do that. Now to make a force restart, you have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds. So it takes 15 seconds to make a restart. So let's try this. You have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds. The very first you might get a black screen here. You just have to wait for this. Once you get a black screen, just wait for Samsung logo here. Once you see a Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it's restart. So it will make a force restart, which might take more or which might take longer than usual. So once the phone has been force restarted, your issue will be fixed. So because sometimes it might be a software glitch or a technical error due to your phone cannot load your UI UX or your software. So in case of making a force restart, you can easily fix these glitches. And the best part is that to make a force restart, you don't have to go inside of your phone or in any settings. You can directly make a force restart by using these two buttons. So once I've done, your issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the same issue, so I recommend you have to make almost 3 4 restart because sometimes it might be the problem won't fix in the very first try. So you can try to make a force restart again and a third time again. So after the third time, it's still not fixing the issue. So it might be you have to reinstall the some the software of your phone. So sometimes it might be that the software has been corrupted or has been glitched or errored. So you have to just make or reinstall your software. Or sometimes it might happen that your screen is broken, your phone is okay, your software is okay, but your screen is broken or it's damaged, so you cannot see anything on your screen. So I also recommend you have to check out your screen. If it's damaged or broken, so you have to change your screen with the original Samsung phone screen. So after that, you might not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.